Why do people demand Luraco's massage chair brand? Introducing the 7th generation i7, the world's #1 massage chair by Luraco Technologies Corporation, an industry-leading massage chair manufacturer. i7 revolutionizes the massage experience by bringing together all aspects of novel technologies, best massage therapy techniques, and entertainment features onto one truly ingenious and comprehensive machine. Experience the latest in patented technologies featuring most advanced 3D robotics, foot rollers, touchscreen remote control, powerful and intelligent software, and zero gravity, which has been scientifically proven to heighten the state of relaxation and well-being. Proud to be the first and only massage chair on the market, researched, developed, and assembled in the USA and UL and FDA listed. Don't let stress affect your health, and don't settle for outdated technologies. Luraco, non-stop innovation.